Let's get one thing out of the way. Nobody is replacing their ERP with a chatbot. The idea that you'll just talk to your business and it'll run itself is a demo, not a plan. That's not the argument. The actual argument is a lot more interesting and a lot harder to dismiss. Here's the real discussion point. AI can now write software fast enough that building your own system might be cheaper than licensing one. Why pay for Odoo, configure Odoo, fight Odoo, when you can describe exactly what your business does and have AI build precisely that? And I want to be honest with you, when you watch that demo, it's convincing. I've built things in a weekend that would have been a real project 2 years ago. So I'm breaking this video into 3 buckets. What AI genuinely does well at building right now, where it falls apart today, with emphasis on today, and where I think it will always struggle, no matter how good the models get. And guys, I'm in Odoo databases every day, across many different types of companies, and I use AI in most of that work. So this isn't a forecast, it's really what I'm watching happen in real builds. Let's start with the part that makes most ERP vendors think they'll lose their jobs soon. And honestly, some days I'm in that group because of how good AI can be. It writes the code. Not toy code, real forms, real tables, real workflows, real reports. The part that used to require a developer is now the fast part. And yes, in Odoo, it builds that code well enough that it's not going to get murdered by an upgrade. It scaffolds a schema. That sounds technical, but give it a description of your business and it produces a reasonable data model. Customers, order lines, inventory moves. It knows and it shapes. It builds to a spec. This is the big one. If you can describe the output precisely, it will hit it generally. That's true inside Odoo too. Server actions, automations, computed fields, custom reports. Work I used to quote as a 2-hour developer job is now 15 minutes. It reads existing systems, point it at a database or an Excel spreadsheet, and it'll tell you what's there, what's inconsistent, where the duplicates are, that sort of thing. Finally, and this is a big one, it removes the gatekeeper. You no longer need a partner or a developer to change a field label or build a report. That's real, and it matters. And if you're thinking, I'd like to take advantage of some of what you talked about that AI can do well, I anticipated that and I'm putting together a course. If you want to sign up for it, it's listed in the description below. So there are some things that AI genuinely does well, and these will only continue to get better. But let's look at where it falls down. And again, I see this happening all the time, so these aren't just ones that I made up. Edge cases. What you built in that afternoon handles the happy path. A customer orders a thing, you ship it, you invoice it. Now, the actual list. A partial receipt against a purchase order, a credit note that has to walk back an inventory valuation entry, landed costs allocated across a container, average cost, FIFO, all that stuff, how it touches your margins, multi-currency, a return of a serialized item. The list goes on and on. AI and agile methodology are great buddies, but it's much easier for AI to build you a scooter than it is for it to scale up to a full-blown car. Here's the next point. It doesn't know what it doesn't know. Seasoned business systems like Odoo have thousands of edge cases built in. That doesn't mean they're perfect, but the benefit of the community's experience is built in. Third, let's talk about long-term stability and coherence. Even in small projects, AI can get lost between competing priorities. You can tell it, always do this, but that may not be retained or even carry the weight you want it to throughout your system. Even if it's perfectly stable today, tomorrow you may tell it something else, and it could overwrite that and change the code that made everything work in the first place. It can be extremely aggravating. Now, AI is getting better every day. The gap in these areas between a partner and an AI is closing fast. But let's talk about where I don't think an AI will ever be able to replace systems like Odoo and a seasoned partner. So to frame this, let's step back and look at what you're actually paying for when you have Odoo and a partner. What you're actually buying is 20 years of accumulated edge cases found by other people at other people's expense and already handled before you got there. You're buying the list of questions you don't know to ask yet. AI made writing the code cheap. It didn't make knowing what to write cheap. And those are completely different problems. To be clear, none of these three are about capability, which is why I'm decently comfortable saying AI will always struggle with these parts. First, to have AI build your ERP, you have to define every rule. What's a valid order? When does revenue recognize? Who approves what over what amount? How do you handle a partial return on a discounted line? That's strictly harder than configuring a system where somebody already decided what a reasonable default looks like. And here's the uncomfortable part. The companies most attracted to just have AI build it are usually the companies least able to describe their own processes. If you can't articulate your own workflow, AI is not going to rescue you. It's just going to build a confusing and disorganized system faster. Here's the second problem. Odoo ships a version a year. Thousands of companies run the same accounting engine, so when it's wrong, somebody else finds it and it gets fixed for free. Your bespoke system has one company in it. There is no community finding your valuation bug. There's no accountant who has seen this before. When the person who prompted it into existence leaves, nobody knows why it works. You didn't avoid vendor lock-in, you became the vendor. Now, here's the last and biggest issue. AI can do genuinely impressive work, but it's meaningless to you if you have no way to know whether it's right or giving you what you need. You have to know what success looks like before you start building with AI. If you don't, there's no way to verify that it actually works. So to summarize the three, AI is never going to fill in every step for you. It's never going to review and apply the community's knowledge and experiences ongoing, and it can't define what success looks like for you. So what is AI truly killing? Because something certainly is dying here. It's really the gatekeeping that's dying. You don't have to spend a ton of money to customize or even implement an ERP anymore. Cost is no longer justified by hours spent. What you should be paying for in an ERP and implementation partner these days is totally different than it was even a few years ago. So what does this mean for you? Well, if you want to be a better partner or run Odoo more efficiently yourself, you need to learn to use AI effectively and avoid the very tempting sides that lead to using AI ineffectively, which again is why I'm building the course that is linked below. At the time of recording, it's on pre-order, which is going to give you a special price, so go ahead and check that out. And if you're still determined to vibe code, I totally get it, it is very tempting. Go ahead and watch my video that's dropping next week on what I think is the best base you can use for that sort of setup.